Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is digital dice using sound sensor. Let's start the video. This is sound segment display. A sound segment display is widely used electronic display device for displaying decimal numbers from 0 to 9. They are most commonly used in electronic devices like digital clocks, timers and calculators to display numeric information. As we can see, there are 7 lines in the unit which are used to display number or characters. We can refer each segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and for dot character we will use H. There are 10 pins in which 8 pins are used to refer A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. The two middle pins are common anode and cathode of all the LEDs, which is called as COM pin. So we need to connect only one COM pin. For the first digital dice project, I have used 7 segment, resistor, jumper wires, nano and breadboard. I have connected the basic connection A12 to positive and A14 to negative. The 7 segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G are connected to D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12 of the nano. The center COM pin is connected to the negative line of the breadboard using resistor. This is the coding. In extension, I have used 7 segment. Starting the code with when Arduino begin, display pin A, B, C, D, E, F, G are connected D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12 of the nano. The laptop will print, pick any random number 1 to 6 on display and wait for 1 second. Let's upload. Upload success. See how the 7 segment is working. This is the connection for sound detector digital dice. The connections are same as the digital dice. Extra connection is the sound sensor connection. Sound sensor GND to negative, VCC to positive, and the out pin to D3 of the nano. This is the coding. In extension, I have used 7 segment and sound sensor. Starting the code with an Arduino begin, display pin A, B, C, D, E, F, G are connected D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12 of the nano. Setting the pin number 2 as input, that is sound sensor is connected to D2 pin in the nano. If read digital pin 3 is equals to 0, then the laptop will print, pick any random number 1 to 6 on display and wait for 1 second. Let's upload. Upload success. Now I'm going to clap. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adan from LiQWYD Robotics.